Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 221. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, emphasizing the sequence? A. She ate dinner before he came home. B. She had eaten dinner before he came home. C. She eats dinner before he comes home. D. She is eating dinner before he comes home. Correct answer, she had eaten dinner before he came home. Past perfect tense. Question number 222. Which tense indicates a future action that will be completed by a specific future date or time? A. By the time she turns 20, she learns to drive. B. By the time she turns 20, she will learn to drive. C. By the time she turns 20, she will have learned to drive. D. By the time she turns 20, she is learning to drive. Correct answer, by the time she turns 20, she will have learned to drive. Future perfect tense. Question number 223. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still ongoing in the present? A. He teaches English for 10 years. B. He has taught English for 10 years. C. He has been teaching English for 10 years. D. He is teaching English for 10 years. Correct answer, he has been teaching English for 10 years. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 224. Which tense describes a past continuous action that led to a past outcome or explanation? A. He was tired because he worked out at the gym. B. He was tired because he had been working out at the gym. C. He is tired because he works out at the gym. D. He will be tired because he will work out at the gym. Correct answer, he was tired because he had been working out at the gym. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 225. Which tense describes an action that will have been ongoing for a duration up to a particular future time, highlighting the cumulative effect? A. In 2028, I will live in this country for 10 years. B. In 2028, I will have lived in this country for 10 years. C. In 2028, I will be living in this country for 10 years. D. In 2028, I will have been living in this country for 10 years. Correct answer, in 2028, I will have been living in this country for 10 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Question number 226. Which tense is used to describe regularly scheduled events? A. The store closes at 9 p.m. B. The store is closing at 9 p.m. C. The store closed at 9 p.m. D. The store will close at 9 p.m. Correct answer, the store closes at 9 p.m., simple present tense. Question number 227. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, when the exact time is unknown, but the event is finished? A. I visited Paris. B. I visited Paris last year. C. I am visiting Paris. D. I have visited Paris. Correct answer, I have visited Paris. Present perfect tense. Question number 228. Which tense describes a past continuous action interrupted by a shorter, single past action? A. She cooked when I called. B. She was cooking when I called. C. She has cooked when I called. D. She cooks when I call. Correct answer, she was cooking when I called. Past continuous tense. Question number 229. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specified future time? A. Tomorrow at noon, I will eat lunch. B. Tomorrow at noon, I will be eating lunch. C. Tomorrow at noon, I eat lunch. D. Tomorrow at noon, I am eating lunch. Correct answer, tomorrow at noon, I will be eating lunch. Future continuous tense. Question number 230. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past? A. When I got to the airport, the plane already departed. B. When I got to the airport, the plane had already departed. C. When I get to the airport, the plane departs. D. When I got to the airport, the plane was departing. Correct answer, when I got to the airport, the plane had already departed. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.